Hi, everybody, and welcome to the Opal and Mommy Baking Show.
I'm Opal.
And I'm Mommy.
I'm Mommy.
No, I'm Mommy. And today we're going to be baking sugar cookies.
Apple cookies.
Because Opal read when you give a mouse a cookie, and then she thought, I want cookies. And Mommy said, well, we just had breakfast. We can't have cookies. And then I thought, but it's a rainy day. So we could do an Opal and Mommy baking show to make cookies, and then we could have cookies, right? Right now, Opal is stacking the butter. Did you get the butter all stacked, Opal? You're all ready to go? Let's do it!
Let's do it.
First, we're unwrapping the butter and putting it in the bowl to soften in the microwave. All right, you unwrap it? Oh, don't just put it in there. Can you unwrap the butter? You go like this, watch. Can you do that? It's like unwrapping a present. Oh, you can put it in. That's good. Good job. Mommy will do the rest. So we're currently softening the butter in the microwave, and Violet has made her way into the Opal and Mommy baking show again. Hi, Violet. Welcome. All right, Opal. Next, we're gonna pour this in over here. What is this, Opal?
Sugar.
Oh, it is sugar. Can you pour it in? Good job, Opal. We're gonna have 2 scoops of that. All right, we got the electric mixer again. You ready, Opal? All right. What do you think? You like it? Remember, we don't get our fingers anywhere close to an electric mixer, right? Good job watching. Next, we're going to put this in. What is this, Opal?
Bubble.
What is it?
Vanilla.
Vanilla. You want to put it in? Wow, good job, Opal. And we got to put in the egg. And Mama promised Opal she could crack the egg today.
Huh?
All right, you gonna crack it? Do you remember how Mommy does it? Let's do it on the side of the bowl. Ready? Crack. And then we break it apart. Yay, Opal! You did so good! Yeah, it's kind of yucky on your hands, so we'll get it off. Our hands are all cleaned off so we don't get salmonella. Can you say salmonella? Yeah. All right, we're gonna mix these in now. You can really tell that Violet would really like to be part of the video. So I'll put her in again. What's wrong? Did you get a boo-boo? Do you want me to kiss it? All better. Next is this. Do you remember what this is called? Baking powder. Can you put it in? Good job. One more scoop of that.
One more scoop of that.
Oh, Mommy didn't get enough. All right. Good job, Opal. What did you say?
All day.
All done with what?
All day.
Yeah, all done with the noise. She doesn't like the noise of the electric mixer, so I put it away.
No.
This week, we need 3 cups of flour. And we're going to use 3 different flours because we're rebels like that, right? You're funny. It says to add them in 1 cup at a time, but I always lose count when I do it, especially if I use a half a cup instead of a cup measuring cup. So I had to put them all in. So we're just going to mix them up. Not with our hands, though. And if anybody's wondering what flours I was using, I used 1 or a half a cup. Please don't do that.
I hold it.
You don't need to hold it. A half a cup of millet flour. A cup and a half of this Pillsbury, and no, a cup of that and a cup and a half of the Crusties gluten-free. This is my go-to. Stop it with your hands in the flour. Stir, stir, stir. Very good. She's doing a great job. Hi everybody, welcome back. You didn't know you were gone for long, but it's been a hot minute. We had to get a new setup here. Violet is now a part of the show, because, you know, she wanted to be. And I still have two hands, mostly. And Opal's rolling flour. Good thing I mopped yesterday. Alright, so we are going to put our piece of dough here. We're going to roll it out, okay? Let's do it all three together. Alright. Good. Okay. Let me bring it closer to you.
No, she made a lot.
Good rolling. Alright, we have a piece rolled out. And we're going to use some animal cookie cutters. So here I have an elephant. So let's put it down and cut the cookie. Good. And then hold on. Oh, okay. No, don't squish it. We're gonna put it onto the pan. Oh, he broke in half. Alright, so that's probably all y'all are gonna watch. I'm gonna figure this out and I'll show you the end result. Okay. Y'all ever get flour in your eye? I was able to say no until this very day. I got flour in this eye and it was not fun, my friends. Not fun. What you doing, Opal?
Okay. I got this.
Well, after a struggle with making the animals, we decided to make lots of little shapes. So that'll be fun to frost.